Hello, welcome to my channel Visionary Vicky, and welcome to new subscribers. And if you haven't subscribed, please do. Today we'll be focusing on listening comprehension with short stories and anecdotes. Today's two stories are The Dog and the Shadow, also The Wind and the Sun. This is a series of stories and anecdotes by Aesop, an ancient Greek storyteller. His books and stories can be found everywhere. These stories are short. Follow along and repeat if you like. English comprehension listening is important in getting used to hearing the language, and repeating helps you to learn. Enjoy the stories. Many you have heard at one time or another. Aesop's fables are timeless treasures that have been taught to children for many centuries. The Boy Who Cried Wolf is one of the most well-known of Aesop's fables. Okay, let's go! The Dog and the Shadow. A dog carrying a bone in his mouth was crossing a bridge over a stream. As he looked down into the water, he saw his reflection and thought it was another dog with a larger bone. He became greedy and decided he wanted the larger bone for himself. He barked at his reflection, causing the bone in his own mouth to fall into the water. When he saw the bone sinking, he tried to grab it, but he only got a mouthful of water. The dog realized his mistake and walked away, feeling ashamed of his foolishness. He learned that sometimes wanting more can cause you to lose what you already have. The Wind and the Sun. The wind and the sun were arguing about which of them was stronger. They saw a traveler walking along the road and agreed that whoever could make the traveler remove his coat would be the stronger one. The wind blew fiercely, trying to tear the coat off the traveler's back. But the harder the wind blew, the tighter the traveler wrapped his coat around him. Then the sun came out and shone warmly on the traveler. The traveler soon became hot and removed his coat. The sun had won the contest. The moral of the story: gentleness and kindness are often more powerful than force and fury. The end. Well, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the stories. You can hear more anecdotes. Go to the other videos. Links will be in the description or on my channel. I want to thank you for practicing with me. To view my other videos, hit my channel name, Visionary Vicky, then hit videos. Also, you can see links in some of my videos that will take you directly to other stories. See you soon. Bye-bye.